G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mix-Up. This is a Christmas edition, hence why I'm wearing my little hat. Today we're making the Grinch Cocktail. Very tasty, so let's get started. First thing you're going to need to do is grab your rocks glass, load it up with some ice, grab some Midori. I'm going to do 30 mils of Midori. $15 mils of white rum, and top up with some lemon and lime mineral water. And to garnish, just grab a cherry and stick it on the side. And there you have it. Enjoy.